Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix high CPU usage on Windows 11. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button because I'm trying to hit 10,000 subs as fast as possible, and it's free and you can always change your mind. First you have to go into settings, apps, startup, and from here you have to uncheck every single app that you don't want to automatically start when booting on Windows. After that you have to open search and search for power plan, and here you have to go on change advanced power settings and you have to check high performance and OK. After that you have to search for CMD, right click on it and run as administrator, press yes, and here you have to put this command that you're gonna find in the article down below in the description and press enter. If the problem still persists, you have to run an in-place upgrade in Windows 11. How to do that you're gonna find in the article down below in the description. But for now, this was all for today. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I was Bas from BasTech. Until next time, have a nice day.